very good meeting. We had people coming from Assam, people coming from Arunachal Pradesh, from Bodoland, from Karbi Anglong, from Dimasa Hasao, Meghalaya, Manipur, Nagaland. So the meeting was very good and we have made significant progress. And I think we are on track to create a new idea for Northeast, which will be taking a larger perspective of speaking out for the entire region from a single point of view.
Repeatedly this confusion is coming about what will be the future of Tipra Mortha, which will be merged or it will be a new identity that will come, sir.
We have been very clear that there will be a new identity created. Now new identity is created when different sets of organizations amalgate and come out with a new idea. Now when I'm saying that, we are not merging into one party and losing our identity. We are coming with concrete steps and plans on how we can come together and speak as one voice. And when we speak as one voice from the point of view of a Tiprasa or a Garo or a Khasi or a Meitei or a Naga or a Kuki or a Arunachali, and within Arunachal we have different communities, Dimasas, Bodos as well, Karbi Anglong as well. So we are all trying to come together. Nobody is trying to finish each other's identity. We are just trying to strengthen each other so that we come out with a single platform and speak in one voice.
Why is it more important to come in a single platform?
I think it is very important. I think nobody is asking what happened to NDPP when Mr. Rio and NPF came together. People should understand that the problems of our people are more important than having a signboard. And there are various negotiations, ideas are coming out, name is being thought of, flags, what will be the flag, that is being thought of, what will be our ideology, what will be our policy. These are things that has been discussed. I think that is more important than what is going to happen to me or what is going to happen to Conrad, what is going to happen to Daniel Langthasa or Mulumo Kikon or anybody. I think that is not important. What is important is, are we going to speak in one voice for our people of the indigenous people of the Northeast? And I think that is the most important thing.
Do you think the Thangsa among the Northeast will give more negotiation power and Delhi has to hear more?
Delhi will also, see, Delhi does not have time to meet 10 people saying the same things from different states. If they meet us and we speak in one voice for everyone, then Delhi will also have to hear us out. Otherwise, Conrad is going and saying about ILP, I am going and saying about ILP, we are speaking on land issues, so is somebody from Nagaland speaking, so is somebody from Manipur speaking, from Dimasa Hasao, Hagrama is speaking, Karbi Bodoland, John Kathar Inki is speaking. We are all saying the same thing. If we can come together and speak in one voice, what's the harm?
Exactly. Once coming back to the state, you are aware of some of the incidents that have taken place.
Yes.
What does it speak about and how do you see into, because repeatedly the allegation is coming on your party particularly?
No, I think if you notice this time, our party offices have been burnt. Now we would not have burnt our own party offices. हमने तो अपना party office को जलाया नहीं होगा. Our workers were beaten up. हमने तो खुद अपने workers को पीटा नहीं होगा. तो जिसने मारा है, उनको भी पकड़ना, उनके खिलाफ भी तो कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए. So to say that there are miscreants on both sides of political spectrum. आज एक दिन CPM का झंडा में था, एक दिन मेरे पार्टी के फ्लैग में था, आज बीजेपी के फ्लैग में है, कल कांग्रेस के फ्लैग में होगा. प्रॉब्लम है कि जो भी गुंडा है, गुंडा एलिमेंट्स है, उनको उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए, उनको प्रोटेक्शन नहीं मिलना चाहिए क्योंकि वो एक फ्लैग आज उठा रहा है, क्योंकि गुंडे का कोई पॉलिटिकल धर्म नहीं होता है. आज बीजेपी का फ्लैग में है, एक समय CPM के फ्लैग में था, बीच में शायद मोथा में आया होगा, कल फिर कांग्रेस में चला जाए. गुंडे के खिलाफ कार्रवाई किया जाना चाहिए और पॉलिटिकल प्रोटेक्शन नहीं मिलना चाहिए.
लास्ट 2 क्वेश्चन एक साथ कर लेते हैं. महाराज, योर one of the minister who belongs to your party had categorically said the home ministry is one-sided, they are not taking action against the miscreants, and he even demanded if home ministry is given to your party, it will work better. And another, on how do you see into their development that is taking place?
You are talking about Animesh Debarma's statement. Let me speak to him. in what context has he said it, because he had gone and visited the people. मैं उनसे बात करके मैं उनसे पूछूंगा कि on what context he said it. But मिनिस्ट्री डिमांड करना कोई गैर कानूनी काम तो है नहीं. That is his democratic right. But I think right now the most important thing is कि हमारा रैली 27 तारीख को है. नवंबर 27 तारीख को अस्तबल ग्राउंड में हम लोग रैली करेंगे. कॉनराड सांगमा इज कमिंग, डैनियल लांथासा इज कमिंग, मुलुमो किकॉन इज कमिंग, अजय एडवर्ड्स फ्रॉम गोरखालैंड इज कमिंग. मेनी पीपल आर कमिंग ऑन द 27. और उस रैली में हमको एक आवाज़ में अपने लोगों के बारे में बात करना चाहिए. आज होम मिनिस्ट्री डिमांड किया है, कल मैंने भी खुद कहा है कि वी कैन हैव अ तिपरासा चीफ मिनिस्टर. लेकिन द पॉइंट इज दैट पीपल should be benefited and there should be no violence, because जब वायलेंस होता है तो गरीब इंसान का नुकसान होता है. मैंने आज तक नहीं देखा anybody who is rich and powerful using their shop or their property. Is only the poor who suffer. So I am against any form of violence, and if the chief minister thinks that there can be a larger dialogue between Tipra Motha, BJP, the police officials, I am welcome for that.
Is police